This is Teacher Verhel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Good day everyone. Today we're going to talk about special products. Now you may ask, what makes the product special? It is special because we are using patterns and formulas in getting the product of polynomials. So to know more about special products, let us have these examples. Okay, our topic for today is about special products in our algebra. So multiplying binomial by binomial. If two binomials is of the form x plus a times x plus b, where the numerical coefficients of x is 1 and the exponent of x is 1. So, multiplying two binomials of the form x plus a times x plus b, that is equal to x squared plus the quantity a plus bx plus a times b. So we've noticed that multiplying two binomials of this form, it gives us the product of a trinomial, where the first term of our trinomial of the product is the product of x and x, the first terms of the two binomials. So x times x, that is x squared. Then to get the middle term, we simply add a by b. So a plus b, quantity a plus bx, that is the middle term of the product. So in other words, to get the middle terms, you just simply add the constants or the second term a and b. To get the last term of the product, is multiply the constant a by b. So, for example, if x plus 7 times x plus 5, we've noticed that this is in the form of x plus a, x plus b. So to get the product, first you are going to multiply the first term, the variable x by x. So x times x, that is x squared. So that is now the first term of the product. To get the second term, you just add 7 and 5, that is a plus b in our pattern. So 7 plus 5, that is 12. So that is plus 12, bring down x. Again, to get the middle term, so simply add the constant 7 and 5. So 7 plus 5, it is like sign, so copy the common side, that is 12, then copy x. Now, to get the last term, is multiply 7, the constant 7 by 5. So 7 times 5, that is positive 35. So we have here plus 35. So in other words, the product of these two binomials is equal to x squared plus 12x plus 35. Now, how about x minus 7 times x minus 5? So still, this is in the form where the numerical coefficient is of x is 1, then the exponent is 1. So the first term of the product is multiply x by x, that is x squared. Next, to get the middle term, simply add. So this time we will have a negative 7 added by a negative 5. So negative 7 plus a negative 5, this is like sign, add, copy the common sign. This is negative 12. So just copy minus 12, bring down x. Then to get the last term, multiply negative 7 by a negative 5. That is negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35. So in short, the product of these two binomials x minus 7 times x minus 5 is equal to x squared minus 12x plus 35. So this is now the product. Next, If we have x plus 7 times x minus 5, still, you are going to multiply x times x, that is x squared, to get the second term or the middle term. Just simply add positive 7 and negative 5. So this is times 7 plus negative 5. This is unlike sign. You are going to subtract and copy the sign of the largest absolute value. So we have a positive 2. So therefore we have positive 2x for our middle term. Next, to get the last term, multiply positive 7 by a negative 5. So this time, we are multiplying unlike sign. So the sign is always negative. So 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. So just copy negative 35. So the answer is x squared plus 2x minus 35 for the product of x plus 7 and x minus 5. Next, for number 4, we have x minus 7 times x plus 5. So this time, we are going to, still, we are going to multiply the first term, x times x, that's x squared. Then add the middle term, so negative 7 plus 5, that is a negative 2x. Since adding unlike sign is you are going to subtract, then copy the sign of the largest absolute value, that is negative 2. So therefore, we have a negative 2x as the middle term. Then to get the last term of the product is multiply negative 7 by positive 5. That is a negative 35. So therefore, our answer is x squared minus 12x minus 35. Take note that if this first term is y, so of course this is y squared. If this is a squared. So this is our a. If this is k, then the variable also is k. If this is p, so this is p instead of x. So that is getting the product of two binomials of the form x plus a times x plus b is equal to get the first term, multiply the first term of two binomials. That is our first term of the product. To get the middle term of the product is simply add the constant. Then copy the variable, the given variable. Since we have your x, so we have your x. To get the last term, of course, you are going to multiply the two constants. So a and b, that is the product of the constant is our last term of our trinomial. So this is now the product of number 4. X minus 7 times x minus 5 is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 35. I hope you learned something today. This is Teacher Verhel. Thank you, and may God bless us all.